Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the device. This matters because manufacturers and carriers will only help verified owners. Locate your receipt, the device serial or IMEI, and any account email or phone tied to the device. Once done, sign into the account recovery page on a separate device so you can follow prompts securely. Make sure to record approximate purchase date and place. Support teams often request that detail. These steps speed up legitimate recovery and prevent unauthorized access. Next, follow official recovery channels. This avoids security violations and preserves warranty. Reach out to the manufacturer's verified support line or web chat and present your ownership proof. They can guide you through authenticated account recovery or service center options. Concurrently, use the device maker's account recovery tool to regain access to the linked account. This may restore control without erasing data. If you bought the phone from a carrier, make sure to inform them. They sometimes provide identity-verified reset services. Finally, if recovery isn't possible, pursue an authorized factory, reset through the manufacturer, or an authorized service center. Insist they verify ownership before proceeding to protect the device and your data. Once a reset is approved, follow the representative's exact steps or have their technician perform it to ensure compliance with policies. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to present additional proof of purchase or identity documents and request escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.